everyone, this is Robin Moses and I'm here with Evil Client, and what should we name this nail? The super jelly nail. Super long and lustrous. Gorgeous, been dried appropriately. Okay, I have the paint out on my little thing. It is light green, dark green, touch of black. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day. So this is going to be in the beginner's playlist, because all of these techniques, even though these look like a hard nail, all the techniques are very easy, very inexpensive, and for beginners who are just starting out and don't have a lot of money for materials. Okay, so if that's you, spread the word and find others like you. Okay, so I'm mixing up the greens like this. I want it to have a little bit of swirl all through the brush. See how the brush doesn't get filled to the middle? It's just on the, probably about 2/3 the way up. These are my brushes, I made them. They're called The Wand by robinmosesnailart.com. If you watch my tutorials and you copy my work, try and support my channel by shouting these brushes out and helping support and grow my channel so that I can reach new people. Okay, I'm dropping down my brush to the about 45-degree angle, and I'm pushing and pulling up. Then I'm pushing and pulling up. Again, pushing, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. Then you can see right in the center where they don't connect, I'm going to go and make a little tail and just kind of let them fall together. And that is your shamrock. Now on the next one, I'm gonna do a whole bunch of these, like as close, and I'm gonna show you different ways. Pull that out of the way. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm gonna just try to get as close as I can. I'm gonna use a lighter green so you can see it better. Push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up, and join. Push, pull up, push, pull up, and then make your little tail. If you feel that your paints are getting a little bit dry, mine is a tiny bit dry, but I can still work with it. Just add a little bit of water. Always add water. More water always ends with a better product. It's easy to do 2 light coats than to do 1 thick coat that cracks or comes off easily. If this is really, really fat, when if she wears this nail out of the salon and this is a really thick, it will wear off, or it will just peel off like a sticker if it's too thick, because it becomes chalky. So you have to keep very thin layers of paint. But at the same time, when it's thin, it just flows really fast. So you can do this design in seriously like a minute, just to do 1 nail, you know, just get your clients in, do 1 nail like this, and have your jellies prepared in advance. And when they come in, do this, and you offer something that not a lot of people do. And that's what you want to do, is make yourself available to all kinds of different art. There's that. And that. And see how like they kind of just like sit on top? That's beautiful. 1 more. This. Like this. Like this. Okay. Now, I want to take out some gold Wonder Woman glitter. Now you get this at the MAC counter, but you can get it. It looks like this. Anything that's complementary to this will work. Okay. They have it everywhere now. When Wonder Woman glitter first came out, I screamed and bought it. I think I even remember who I bought it from at the MAC counter. I gotta think of his name. But anyway, I screamed and bought it. Now I have it. Now it's everywhere. Okay, in different names. So I have a little bit out on here. And I am going to use, let's see, I think I will use a Textile Medium. I want time. So Textile Medium is like this. You add it to glitter, you add it to paints, and it allows you, mostly glitter, really. What this does really is it allows you to paint on denim. So anything that you can find that you can paint on denim, because when I mix it with the glitter, it goes like this, and it doesn't dry right away as if I'm mixing it with top coat. It gives me more time to play with it. It dries completely clear and it makes the glitter shine again. But while I'm working with it, I just have more time, and because this nail is longer than the rays of the sun, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take the glitter and roll it through this nail as if it's veins of gold instead of the pot of gold at the rainbow. Now it's like veins of gold throughout the rainbow, and I'm gonna just touch in here and there just to give it dimension and make it look like granite, because you guys love granite so much. And you see all this things that make it look so hard, and it's really not that hard. It's just practice. Sorry, I don't have a thing on the table, and I bet I'm making clanking noises. That. Then go like. Now see, I don't have to worry about working in the cuticle area. That's hilarious. For me, the cuticle area is sacred. Like, you cannot just go this way, flip it off the cuticle area. You will never be on time for your clients if you work that way on a fake nail. I've seen girls break down crying and leave the shop. I can't do it, I can't. So if you're struggling to keep on time, you are not alone. The first year of doing nails is really stressful on anyone. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, and then for those of you guys who know me, you guys know that I have to have one 4-leaf clover in my design hidden somewhere, and it's up to you guys to find it, but I'm just going to put it in this one because it's a tutorial for beginners. So I sneak one in, and I don't tell my clients where they are, and if they don't notice, then well, whatever. But they mostly do. They over the years are like, I found the 4. Evil client finds it before I've even done. She knows me.
Sorry.
Thanks for coming in, evil client.
No problem.
Okay, so there's the 4, and boom. So I will top coat that, and that would be how to do shamrocks in the beginner playlist. And I hope you liked it, and I hope you have fun with St. Patrick's Day. I have a playlist for St. Patrick's Day linked. Subscribe to my channel linked, and where to get brushes linked at the end of this video, and I'll see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.
Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Gorgeous. Let's go. Yeah, pretty. Okay, I'm going to show you the end result up close, just in case the last take didn't come out too well, because this is uneven and it's kind of like not perfect. See where I stabbed it? But I wanted you to see the overall idea of how you can work jellies in and then add the rainbow and the different shamrocks and stuff. And so anyways, this is not traditional or typical, but something that was fun to do and very inexpensive. Anyways, I'll see you back with more. Bye!